Over here
with my nice, beautiful done hair today.
and his Subaru at the back. Drift car that was running on treads.
Yeah.
Like,
Well,
tire belts.
now it's got 20% life.
Now it's got a little bit of life.
It's
Okay.
like putting in 50 bucks of fuel just on tires.
Chase is gonna show us a cool conversion.
Free one for all your SX boys.
Everybody that's got an SX. So what it's got to entail, it's got to do with that thing over there. I'll press the button, but nothing's gonna happen. So Chase is gonna connect the kill switch on. Look at this. I'm gonna press the button. Oh, still nothing. Oh wait, there, something happened. Button up, down.
It's cold today, it's ice cold.
Okay, Chase, do your thing. What are you gonna do?
Sweet, let's get a...
Side cutter.
Where did I put that?
I gave it to
there
you.
we go.
There we go.
Cool. Sweet.
Okay, up, down, up, down. Okay, this might take a while.
There we go.
All right, so
we got a whole bunch of spaghetti junction here. We actually just want Mr. Brown guy over there.
yeah, we need the brown one.
There we go.
Okay, so there's the brown wire right over there. Chase is gonna cut it. Wait, leave some room so just in case.
Where do you even see room just in case?
Just in case.
We leave him
Okay,
there.
there we go. Oh, there we go. Cut.
Oh,
Okay,
I think I
now-
broke it.
Now it's gone. Okay, let's see what happens now. We're gonna insulate that, but it's fine. Oh, now nothing works. Chase broke it. Well,
No, I'm just kidding. That's how it works.
okay, so it's up like normal. Okay, now you press the button, nothing happens. You press the button, it stays there. Look at that. Haha. So you got to double tap it. Double tap it. Okay, wait. Okay, pop it up again. Okay, double tap.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, that's not.
Guys, take three.
Take 3, take 4. Okay, double tapping. Chase's double taps are very slow.
Yeah, I'm doing this incorrect.
Okay, there we go. We're getting the sleepy eye conversion. Nope.
I keep stuffing it out my head.
A little bit more. A little bit more. I think that's about the sleepy eye. I think that's about the sleepy eye. What do you guys think? So that's the cheap way of doing the sleepy eye conversion. You just double tap it and it stops.
Sorry, that's all my basic tapping. So if you want to tap it, it's a quick one.
Yeah, if you want to tap Chase, you're gonna have to tap a little bit harder than that.
There. Lower.
Yeah, a little lower. Yeah, that's good. That looks good. That's it's about the sleepy eye conversion right about there. It could be a little bit more up, but I like it closed, more closed than up. There we go. There's the sleepy eye conversion right there.
For free.
For free, you just chop the brown wire.
And the main thing is, when I was playing the full say and it's not working, is you have to have the button in and then turn the lights on.
Uh-huh.
And then when you switch the lights off, you'll notice the lights down. Then you can double tap them down.
Okay, well that's what
But it's free. People pay for eBay kits for that.
yeah, so that's one way of doing it. The other way of doing it is if you pop the hood, there's those screws, you can just screw it down till you like it, but then you got to do it
manual
individually.
labor. This is tapping.
It is manual
Double
labor.
tap like.
And
Double
then-
tap like.
Yeah, and then you have to open the hood every time you want to do it. So
100%.
it's a mission.
You can even go a little bit lower if you want.
Okay, we're gonna go lower. There we go. Now it's really sleepy. Oh, that's super sleepy. I like it. Now it needs a polish so we can get all this gunk off of it. And there we go. Thank you, Chase.